When you search for the best Clicgear Model 40 golf push cart, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Nitrone Golf Push Cart. The Nitrone Golf Push Cart by Bagboy caught my attention right away with its sleek design and innovative features, priced at $379.47. If you want quick setup and smooth rides on the course, this is worth a serious look. This cart features auto-open technology, which means you can set it up without any hassle, just a single motion and you're ready to roll. Plus, its top-load technology makes attaching your golf bag a breeze, keeping everything secure. With smooth-rolling 9.5 front wheels and 11 rear wheels, you get a comfortable ride on varying terrain. And let's not forget the ample storage options, including a cup holder and mobile device holder. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you energy and keeps your essentials within reach, making your golf game more enjoyable. Now, some people complained about its weight at 16.7 pounds, saying it feels a bit hefty. Here's the thing though, for the features and durability it offers, that weight actually contributes to its stability. If you're someone who values a well-built cart, you might find that it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your golf game and need a reliable push cart that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and compact. For the price, it offers solid value for the features provided. Now, if the weight of the Nitrone bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Two-Wheel Golf Pull Cart. The two-wheel golf pull cart from WITLES is a budget-friendly option at only $83.47, and it immediately caught my eye with its lightweight, foldable design. If you're a walking golfer who needs something simple and reliable, this might be the right fit for you. This cart boasts a strong steel frame that ensures durability while being light enough for easy maneuverability. The quick folding feature means you can set it up and put it away in seconds, which is great if you don't want to waste time on the course. Plus, the adjustable webbing straps keep your golf bag securely in place, allowing you to focus on your game instead of your gear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of carts that tip over or don't hold your bag, this design gives you peace of mind. However, some users mentioned it might not handle rough terrain as well as heavier carts. But honestly, if you're playing mostly on well-maintained courses, this should work just fine and keep your game moving smoothly. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and functional cart without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end option with all the bells and whistles. For its price, it's a fantastic value for casual golfers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more durability. Product number 3, Clicgear 4 Cart Blue. Next up is the Clicgear 4 Cart in blue, priced at $637.22. This cart really stands out with its sleek aluminum design. If you're looking for something that's built to last, this is one to consider. This cart features an easy lift brake lever and a lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum frame, ensuring that it's both durable and easy to handle. It also comes with a super compact folding design, making it a breeze to store, a must for any golfer with limited space. The 4 dividers in the storage area mean you can organize your clubs efficiently. Here's why this matters for you. If you like to keep everything tidy and in its place during a round, this cart helps you do just that. On the downside, some users find the price a bit steep compared to other options. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about your game and want a cart that can endure years of use, this investment might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and organization in your golf game. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just play occasionally. It's a premium price but offers great long-term value for dedicated golfers. Now, if that price tag deterred you, the next cart might surprise you with its versatility. Product number 4, Clicgear Cart Seat. The Clicgear Cart Seat is a handy companion for your Clicgear 3.5 Plus cart, priced at $148.90. It's not just a seat, it's a game changer for those long rounds. If you often feel the need to take a breather during your games, this could be a perfect addition. This seat is designed for convenience, providing a comfortable spot to rest without needing to find a bench. It's lightweight and easy to attach, which is ideal for golfers who may struggle with fatigue. Here's why this matters for you. When you're out on the course, having a place to sit can help you recharge and stay focused for the rest of your game. However, some reviewers pointed out that it can be a bit wobbly if not secured properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you ensure it's attached correctly, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you enjoy long rounds and need a place to rest. Skip this if you prefer to keep things minimal and don't want accessories. It's a worthwhile add-on for those who appreciate comfort on the course. Alright, that was a great accessory. But the last cart on my list combines ease of use with functionality. Product number 5, All-Lion Golf Push Cart. Finally, we have the All-Lion Golf Push Cart priced at $126.48. This cart offers a blend of features and functionality that caught my eye. If you want a reliable and adjustable cart for all ages, this one's definitely worth considering. Weighing in at just 12 pounds, this cart is incredibly easy to move around. Its quick folding mechanism makes it super portable, fitting easily into your car. Plus, with a triangular chassis design and wide wheels, you get exceptional stability on any course. Here's why this matters for you. If you're playing on various terrains, this cart won't let you down. It also comes with a plethora of storage options, including a cooler bag and an umbrella holder, ensuring you have everything you need at hand. Some users found the build a bit less sturdy compared to others, but honestly, if you're not pushing it to the limits, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight and multifunctional cart that accommodates different golfer needs. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for frequent use. For the price, it gives you great functionality and versatility. So if you're after a balance of weight, features, and price, this cart definitely deserves your attention. So to quickly recap, we've seen the Nitron Golf Push Cart for ease of setup, the budget-friendly two-wheel pull cart for lightweight convenience, the Clicgear 4 for durability, the Clicgear cart seat for comfort during play, and the All-Lion Golf Push Cart for versatility. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and happy golfing.